big thumbs up to you all. And you too can make a laboratory glassware rack just like that. How do you do it? How do you do it? Let's get started. So how you're going to do this is you can look at AliExpress. You can buy a small one for $50, and it's going to maybe put a few test tubes, and you could hook that up to a wall to store some stuff, or use it for drying, I guess. I thought I'll make a bigger one and I'll try waterproofing it. So what I did was you're going to need a block of wood like in the back, and also a jig, a dowel jig. It's not called a dowel jig, it's just called a jig from AliExpress. You can drill at 45-degree angles, otherwise they'll be all messed up and all over the place when you put the sticks in. So let's see how we do it. So I'm started, there I am looking very sexy. So right, I'm drilling away, there we go. Oh, it's unbelievable, this the suspense, eh? Look at that, we're just putting the hole into there. And how do we know where the hole comes out? So we're going to have to look at that later on as well. We're going to have to cut the dowels to the correct length. So I think I did 20cm lengths or something like that, because I don't want it to be too short, too small. I want plenty of room for future expansion, to put big alembics and big beakers on there, not just test tubes, So there we go. We buy the dowel from the shop, We get the drill about the right size or slightly smaller, and we hammer it in basically with a bit of glue. So there I am, just measuring away, making sure it's all square and all good. And wow, there we go. Look at this. Look what's coming up. I'm still measuring. Oh, there we go. Amazing. Now wait. Here we go. Oh, so how do we know where it's going to come out on the other side? Oh, that's a problem, because look, it doesn't actually tell you. There's a line there which is a bit misleading, as you see, a little imprint on the metal, but it actually comes out. It should actually indicate where it comes out. So you should draw on the jig where that hole is going to be. So that's what I'm doing here. So yeah, okay, just that's something to look out for. Otherwise your holes will be all over the place when you drill them. There I am, cutting the dowel. Oh, I've made a mistake. Now whenever I cut, I've got a scar on one hand because I was cutting with a tenon saw one day, and I cut myself with a saw. So if your hand is near the saw, use a glove. This is what our woodwork teacher never told us, and he showed scars on his hand, and he never told us to wear a glove. He said you need to put your hand there to steady the wood, and then you won't cut yourself. No, just wear a glove. Anyway, that's a bit of... It's lucky you watched this. I could have saved you. So there we go. And I'm cutting away the dowels. Just to make it a bit quicker, I'm just using... I love the jigsaw. The jigsaw is one of the best tools for the workshop. It's really good, really good. Just boom, there we go. And a bit of PVA. And straight onto the chipboard. There we go. The hole is already in place thanks to the jig. Tap it in. And there we go. How easy is that? How easy is that? That's amazing. Oh, just amazing. Right, there we go. Oh, hey, the second one's already in. Gee. Wow. Oh, there we go. Yep. We see where the holes come out. Okay, that's how you do it. Draw a grid. Yep. Space it out. Give yourself plenty of room for the glassware. As you see, glassware is pretty large. I'm going to use mainly this one for storage rather than for drying. I've bought that other one for drying. This one can be for storing glassware, laboratory glassware, for the home lab, because I've always wanted to have a laboratory. It's coming along pretty good. Like, how good is that? See, that's how you do it. I think I spaced mine about 12 centimeters apart from memory, something like that, or 13 or 15. I don't know, something like that. I thought, look, that'll do. Mount that on the wall. Yeah, it's beautiful. There we go. Yep, it's all going in there. Look. Oh yeah, so here I tried drilling a bigger dowel, and it just didn't fit. It mangled the hole and it was wonky. So do not use large dowel on chipboard. Use small dowels. Or you can mangle the wood with a big hole, a big drill. So there we go, the finished product. That is so good, and that is ready to mount onto brackets on the wall, which is what I subsequently did. I spent a lot of time doing that. Yeah. So this is my laboratory, as you see the nice bulb. So there we go. I've mounted that on the wall and already put some glassware on it. Not bad. You see, much bigger than AliExpress. Much better. You do it yourself. Bingo. Bye.